Hello everyone, welcome back to this learning platform which I have started in the name of my channel Learn Easy Maths channel. As you know that this week the series of coordinate geometry is going on. So with that continuation of the series, today once again I am before you with some more new discussion and some new problems. Today I have selected a problems from your textbook. The problem is here. A diameter which has an endpoints A and B, and the diameter AB at the point A whose coordinate is x1, y1, and the point B and its coordinates is x2, y2. Then the center of the circle O, it has coordinate x and y. So for the coordinate x1 and y1, we do not have what the values, but for the center x and y, its coordinates are 2, minus 3. For the other end point of the diameter B, it has the coordinate 1 and 4. What should we do? As we know that O is the center of a circle, a diameter is divided into two equal radii. We can apply the midpoint formula here. Because a center of the circle divides the diameter into two equal parts, that is we call it as equal radii. So that's the reason we can use here the midpoint formula. We can use the midpoint formula. See that one. How to use midpoint formula means take x is equal to and find the midpoint x1 plus x2 by 2. x1 plus x2 by 2. What is x1? We have to find x1 plus what is x2? 1 divided by 2. But you know that what is x? X is 2. Equate 2 is equal to x1 plus 1 by 2. Call it an equation 1. Alright. Now take y. Y is equal to y1 plus y2 divided by 2. Now substitute y1, we have to find the coordinates is not given value, plus, and y2 it is 4 by 2. At the same time this y has the coordinate minus 3, which is equal to y1 plus 4 divided by 2. Alright. Call it as an equation 2. Now you solve here by taking this one. What is equation 1? X plus 1 divided by 2 is equal to 2. Therefore, x plus 1 is equal to cross multiplication, which is equal to 4. Then x is equal to 4. 1 is being transposed to the right side, it becomes minus 1. X is equal to 3. Alright. Therefore, x1. What it is? x1. x1 is equal to 3. We found the value of x1. Now similarly, come to this one. Minus 3 is equal to y1 plus 4 by 2. y1 plus 4 by 2. Take this one, minus 3 or y1 plus 4 by 2 is equal to minus 3. Then y1 plus 4 is equal to 2 3s are minus 6. Then y1 is equal to minus 6 plus 4 goes to the right side, becomes minus 4. Then y1 is equal to minus 10. So this is the value. X1 is what? It's a 5. X1 is 3 and y1 is minus 10. This way we can find the value. Okay. Then next we will take another formula, that is what? The area of the triangle. Okay. Once again I remind you, my all precious and esteemed viewers, please do not forget to subscribe and don't forget to watch the full video. So please don't make a shortcut. You watch the full video. Now first, there are 3 points: A, x1, y1, and B, x2, y2, and C, x3, y3. Join A, B, C, right? It's going to form a triangle. Alright. Now we have to find the area of the triangle whose coordinates is x1, y1, x2, y2 and x3, y3. What is the formula? Area of triangle ABC is equal to half into. It's very interesting. Write first x y minus y plus x y minus y plus x y minus y and close the bracket. Close the bracket. And this is a blank one, and you may be in a state of confusion what this person is writing. Don't confuse. For your convenience only, I am writing in this way. What you have to write? First x bracket y minus y 1, another term x y minus y, the third term x y minus y. Then you have to name it 1, 2, 3. Started 1, 2, 3, and now you start with the 2, 3, 1. Okay, now you started with 3, 1 and 2. This is the formula: half into x1 bracket y2 minus y3 plus x2 bracket y3 minus y1 plus x3 y1 minus y2. Okay, we will solve one problem from the textbook based on this formula. Find the area whose vertices are, find the area whose vertices are 2, 3, minus 1, 0 and 2, minus 4. 2, 3, minus 1, 0 and 2, minus 4. For this we have to find the area of the triangle. So name it, it is x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. Okay, it's A, it's B and it is C. So area of triangle ABC is equal to half into, as you know the formula, x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. What I told you? I told you to write first term x bracket y minus y, second x minus x into y minus y and x into y minus y, and you have to write 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 1, 3, 1, 2. Alright. Now this one you have to write it x1. x1 is what? 2 into y2 minus y3. y2 is 0 minus y3 is minus 4. Minus of minus, it will be a plus 4 plus x2. Find out what is x2. It is minus 1 into what it is? y3 minus y1. y3 is what? Minus 4 and y1 is what? 3. This is minus 3 plus the third one is x3. Find what is x3 here. It is 2. 2 into y1 minus y2. y1 is 3. Alright. Minus y2 is 0. Okay. Now we have substitute x1 into y1, x1 into y2 plus y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. Their respective values are being substituted here. Now it is equal to half into 2 into 0 plus 4 is 4 Plus into minus, it is minus 1 into minus 4 minus 3 is minus 7. Plus 2 into 3 minus 0 is 3. This is the value. Okay. Which is equal to here half into 2 4s are 8 minus into minus plus 1 7s are 7 plus 2 3s are 6. Again it is equal to half into 8 plus 7 15, 15 plus 6 21, 21. Half multiplies 21, which is equal to 10.5 square centimeter. This is the how we found the area of a triangle whose vertices are given as x1 y1 x2 y2 x3 y3 using the formula. This is simple way. So do not forget, and don't forget to just subscribe my channel. With this, most probably we are at the ending part of this coordinate geometry, and most probably in my next video I will take some more new topics related to the 10th standard syllabus, and we will discuss more and more important things. With this one, I am going to end up my video. Once again, it's my sincere request. Please don't forget to subscribe and share. Please remember this, subscribe it, share it, and take a gain and enrich your knowledge. Thank you.